How to run an open house that actually creates clients in a slower market. In a slower market, a lot of agents ask me the same question. Are open houses even worth it anymore? The short answer is yes, but only if you stopped running them the old way. A few years ago, open houses were simple. Put up signs, unlock the door, wait for traffic, and hope someone fell in love with the house. That worked when buyers were moving fast and inventory was tight. But in today's market, buyers are cautious, they're selective, and taking their time. Fewer people are casually walking through open houses just for fun. Most of them are gathering information, testing the market, and quietly looking for an agent they can trust. That means an open house is no longer about selling the home that day. It's about creating conversations and positioning yourself as the obvious next step. If you're hosting open houses the same way you did a few years ago, you're probably missing the real opportunity. So if you want your open houses to actually turn into future clients, here are a few things to keep in mind. First thing, shift the goal from selling the house to serving the visitor. In a slower market, most people who walk into an open house are not ready to write an offer that weekend. Some are early buyers, some are neighbors, some are watching prices. Some already have an agent but are not fully confident yet. If your only focus is pushing the property, people feel it and they shut down. Instead, your goal should be to ask them questions, understand where they are in the process, offer insight they cannot get online. When visitors feel helped instead of handled, conversations last longer and trust forms naturally. Number two, use the open houses to demonstrate expertise, not salesmanship. Today's buyers are researching everything. They already know the basics before they walk in. What they want is context. That means your open house should quietly showcase how you think, not how hard you sell. You can do this by explaining why the home is priced the way it is, pointing out what buyers are comparing this home to. You can also share what you are seeing with days on market and buyer behavior locally, and answer questions about what is actually negotiable right now. In a slower market, confidence becomes clarity. When you provide that, people remember you. And number three, create a clear, natural next step after the open house. One of the biggest mistakes agents make is letting a good conversation end at the front door. If someone enjoyed talking with you but leaves without a next step, the momentum is gone. A strong open house always leads somewhere. This might be a short follow-up conversation about their timeline, an invite to a local market update, or a quick strategy chat about buying or selling in today's conditions. The key is that the next step feels helpful, not pushy. When the open house experience is valuable, people are far more open to continuing that conversation. If you're hosting open houses and not seeing any long-term results, I'd be happy to talk and walk you through what you might be missing. We can look at how you are setting them up, how conversations are flowing, and what kind of follow-up actually makes sense in today's market. Feel free to call, message, or click the link below to schedule a simple one-on-one strategy conversation. I'm happy to help, as always. And if this was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe. I share practical, real-world strategies for agents navigating today's market every single week.